we got the 392 Rubicon. Now this is a special edition right here. You kind of got that copper right here, that copper in there. Man, this is one of the best cars right here. Well, SUV slash truck slash whatever you want to call it. Actually, let's get into the price first. So look, they want 90K with it, with markup 25,000. So they want $115 and $50. Now we got the trailer tow package. We got the Extreme Rubicon tire package with the 35-inch rims. We got the 17 by 8-inch bronze bead lock. So it's not copper, it's bronze. But to me, I think it looks more of a copper. Now going in here, you can see where you can kind of see where I'm saying with the copperish color, but it's bronze type. So we got that 392 bronze throughout the whole whip. Now as you can see, we got 120 on the dash. Now being that you got that big powerful 392 engine, you're gonna have to put 91 gas in here. Not only is this the fastest Jeep, but this is a very technological Jeep right here. So look at the center console. Now what you see with the center console is you got your media right here, which is your USB ports, your aux cords. But a lot of Jeep owners will let you know how convenient it would have been if they would have had a chance to get those automatic windows on the Jeep. Now it's right here in the center. You got your front and your rear wheel control. This right here is your drive selector, so you can kind of get your I'm not too versed in this, but you know, your 4-wheel drive or your 4-drive. And then right here's the gear selector, which is the park, rear, you know, neutral, drive, manual mode. I know I butchered it, leave me alone. So when you open up that center console, you get that forged carbon fiber look, but it ain't forged carbon fiber. It's kind of like a plasticky material, and then under that you get a deeper center console with another USB port. You get 2 cup holders right here. You got your manual e-brake. You got some speakers right here, of course. Also on your steering wheel, you get your toggles for that, your answer and your hang up. This is your distance selector when you're driving behind the car, and this is how you engage the active cruise control. You got your right here. This is your set for your cruise control, of course. Now coming on, looking at the door, you can take everything off of the Jeep. So you can take this door off right here. You get your little net. Also, for a lot of Jeep owners that didn't know, this car is equipped with drain plugs. So as any Jeep, there's drain plugs underneath all of the seats, so you can get all that water out from when you're off-roading. Now this 392 may not come in handy when you're rock climbing, because you're not going to climb a rock at 60 miles an hour. It's just not happening. Now let's take a look at these rims. So these are the 35s right here, with that 17-inch rim in the center. Very, very meaty tires. Can handle whatever you throw at it. So let's check out the back of the Jeep. Now I put the seats up and you can put them down. But right here, just so you can get an idea, I'm 6 foot. I can definitely, 2 6-foot people can fit back here, and maybe a child. If you're under 5'9", I say all 3 of y'all can fit back here. You know what I'm saying? If you're over 6 foot, you definitely gonna need some room. But if you skinny, you can probably make it in here with the guys. Now you got your 180 volt. You can plug anything in there. You know what I'm saying? From a toaster to damn near a damn air fryer. It don't even matter. Then right here you got your AC controls. I'm sorry if I'm breathing hard. I'm tired, man. Been working out. So you pull this right here. And that allows you to drop the seat just so you can get an idea. Now these are rear quarter windows, so you can take these off as well. You can strip it, make it completely naked, hit the beach, hit the whatever you want to do, and those are the pieces right there to put them right back, as you can see. So the Jeep is very roomy, very comfortable, and there's leather throughout the whole whip. As you can see, you got your netting right here. Now coming to the rear of the vehicle, something that's special because you got a 392 Jeep, of course. You get your signature badge. This is your badge and it's fit to every Jeep. You got your information on here from the engine, how the car works. It's pretty cool. It's just your badge of honor when you go around amongst the other Jeeps. Type shit. I broke it. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, you got this right here. These are your rear quarter panels for the side, of course. Then you got your glass up here with your windshield wiper. And to close it, pull this back. Then you close it. Simple as that. Y'all want to come get it? Pull up the Hilltop Dodge. Talk to my main man Gio, and he'll get you right. Also, I forgot to do the front. So right here, you got your lighting for the nighttime. It's very bright. You got a light here, light there. Just wheel on the other side. You got some fog lights. You got some tow hooks right here. So you know the deal. You know where to come and get it at. It's the first 2023 in California.